Ever wondered how those cool visual effects and motion graphics are made? Let's dive into Adobe After Effects. First, opening After Effects and getting familiar with the interface. You'll typically begin by creating a new project or opening an existing one. You'll see a workspace filled with panels, like your project panel to import footage, the composition panel, where your visuals come to life, and the timeline where the magic happens. Next, you will then create a new composition. Think of this like your canvas. In the project panel, you import your media, could be video footage, images, or even audio to bring it into your composition. Adjust the resolution and frame rate to fit your project needs. Now, the fun begins. You drag your media from the project panel into your composition. In the timeline, you can add effects and text. Keyframes are crucial. You use them to control how things move, change size, or fade in and out over time. Next, you will work on adding effects. Effects are how you make your project look cool. Select a layer and apply effects from the Effects and Presets panel. Experiment with colors, blurs, distortions, and more to enhance your visuals. Finally, it's time to render your work. After completing all your edits, it's time to export your finished masterpiece. Choose your desired output format, like MP4 or MOV, and decide on render settings. Rendering takes your project into a playable video, so go create something amazing.